Summing Roman numerals. Not as using this on a regular basis, but it's available if for some reason you need to. I don't know, maybe you're putting together a presentation and you need to use Roman numbers. There's a function within Excel that allows you to do this. It's the Arabic function. It will convert Roman numbers into Arabic and vice versa. Over here on the right, you're going to see SUMPRODUCT Arabic. This structure, you can read this on your own. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this. It was just something of curiosity. I threw it in here. But all it does is it's going to take SUMPRODUCT and it's going to convert it into a normal number. What we've done is we took Arabic and we just took all of this information, SUMPRODUCT Arabic B5 to B15, converted it over. Now, this will probably add up to the same number. What we did is we took Arabic and we converted it over. Either way, let's take a look. Equals sum. Let's take a look here. And it does the same. You could just use a sum here, or you can use SUMPRODUCT. Remember, SUMPRODUCT, it's just counting numbers. And Arabic changes the Roman over into normal, everyday numbers. And then it just, SUMPRODUCT does its thing. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. See ya.